Jam 1. Great job for getting this far. You've really taken a giant step towards becoming a lead guitarist. And now that you've learned patterns, bends, sequences, how to change keys, octaves, and a bunch of solos in the scale shape, it's time for you to start learning how to jam. Until now, you've followed the tabs during the lessons, which is a great way to learn and practice. But for the upcoming lessons, we will give you a little more freedom, which is a first step towards jamming. As always, you'll be playing to a piece of music, and we'll show you what to play. But we won't tell you when to play it. It will be up to you to fit your playing into the song. So this level is all about you finding the tempo in the music and finding the right timing of your playing. Also, we'll not give you any audio or visual feedback if you play right or wrong. Instead, you be the judge. So you should listen to the sound coming from your guitar. Does it sound good? To do this, you should unplug your headphones or perhaps just take at least one headphone off. The main thing is that you clearly hear the sound coming from your guitar. Now, for the following levels, you'll play to a backing track, which is a piece of music without any lead instruments, so that you can practice playing lead guitar by yourself. It's pretty much like having your own virtual band at home. Playing to a backing track without guidance might feel a bit intimidating at first, but after a while, you'll find your flow and notes will come flying out of your guitar almost automatically. Since this might be your first time playing to a backing track, we'll guide you step by step on this journey. Rhythm. Some guitar players really struggle with rhythm in the beginning, but don't worry, the more you practice, the more you'll get used to how to play in time to a song. For the upcoming lessons, we just want to get you going. So if you struggle with the rhythm, don't stress about it. Just play the notes that are displayed and try your best to make those notes fit nicely to the backing track. Your sense for rhythm will develop eventually. We'll guide you step by step through various patterns for you to jam with. We will only show you what to play, not when to play it. So try to play them in a way that blends them into the backing track. Try to find the flow. As you progress, we'll add more strings and more complexity in bite-sized chunks. Just remember, the main focus with these lessons is to get used to the shape and also get used to the sound of your own guitar.